Welcome to what I call Wunderlist. For those of you that are familiar with this app, you might know that it used to be called Wunderlist. Microsoft bought it and renamed it to To-Do, which frankly I think is a bad name because now I say I need to add a to-do to my to-do, which sounds redundant. I like it better the old way when I used to say I need to add a to-do to my Wunderlist. Let's get started. Like I've always said, I don't care what app you use or if you prefer paper and pen. You just need to be able to track everything you are about to do, and I have found that this app is simple to use, easy to learn, and has a higher level of functionality if you wish to incorporate it into other areas of your life. Amongst everything else, I currently use the app to organize a small vacation rental company in Wasaga Beach called beach1.com. It helps track employee information, maintenance, and repair work, but more importantly, it keeps my life on track. It helps with keeping my eye on work-life balance and works as a motivation tool to do some of those things I don't actually like doing. So as you can see, this app has the potential to really grow on you. When you install the app, you will find that it is pre-populated with a few functions along the left-hand side. These functions help organize everything you will fill your Wunderlist with. Wunderlist works from macro on the left to micro on the right, so we have to think of that when we start to put items into the system. Think of a grocery list. We don't want to start with bananas as the high-level group name here. We should go up a tier, groceries, or even one more tier and call it household or personal, weekly, or something like that. Once we have a group name, then we can put in a new list. For example, we'll call it the honey-do list. Then we can create the task called groceries. And finally, each step we add would be an item such as bananas. In this example, you can see how we went from macro or higher level organization to the micro on the right-hand side of the screen. Think left for high level macro, and as we read to the right, we move to the smaller micro steps. So as I go to tick things off, I'm always working on all the micro steps of a task. Eventually I get them done and I tick off the task and I move on to the next one. I can prioritize things here by either moving them up or down in order from top to bottom, or I can simply star an item. What I like about this is that when I star an item, two things happen. One is that it automatically goes to the top of the list, but also it populates a brand new list in that section at the top left of your app. This will give you an overview of all of your start items from all of your lists in one place. So if you know that this week you need to make sure to get the groceries done, but also pay an insurance bill and get a meeting with the marketing team, it's a way to keep things on your radar. We can also add things to My Day or flag an item. We can add others to a list and assign tasks to them, etc., etc. But what we're using this app for is the Wheel of Life, a way to measure how you feel about your current state of being and what you can do to track and improve that state. I invite you to use this app for everything that is in your life that could benefit from organization, but let's start by creating a group called Wheel of Life. Next, we will create a new list for each category of life that we have. And when we name these, we will rate them and include that rating in the name. Continue on for each category. Once we've done that, let's go into each category and start adding a task for each way we can think of to up-level that category. In this example, we will imagine that you're not totally satisfied with your career. I cannot say what you do for work, but I can tell you it takes up a huge amount of your time on this earth, and as such, it should be something you enjoy or get a lot out of. So right away, I can say that I would be happier in my work if I was to have a corner office with a view, or to work in the field more. What about you? What would make your life at work feel more enjoyable? Maybe it is to work remotely, or to have a company vehicle, to make more money, get a promotion. Let's look at that last one for now. Get a promotion. What could you do today that would secure you for an upcoming promotion? List everything you can think of, no matter how small, insignificant, or silly you might think it is. Here you can see some ideas I have made. In essence, all you would have to do now is to start working on one step each day or even week. As long as you consistently tick these items off, you are well on your way to that promotion. After you have each of these items ticked, go in to see your boss, and you have a list of reasons why you deserve the promotion. At the very least, you will win the opportunity for consideration, which I can guarantee you would not have unless you started acting on this list today. Now, fill in the app for the rest of your categories and start tracking your progress. I know if you get started with this, you will get motivated to do more and soon, like me, will reap the rewards of the seeds you sow.